Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the E-MTB touring biking channel. Myself, Kevin, both part of this channel.
Hello.
And what we do is we spend a lot of time on our e-bikes, exploring trails, cities, following rivers, everywhere we could think of. And we thought, what better way than to make a quick YouTube channel, share these adventures with you guys, hopefully inspire some people to get out there, get on their bikes. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, think we're morons, anything, let us know. Drop a comment, drop a DM. If you want to do a group ride, same, let's organize something. So whole purpose of this is to move the community together and let's have some fun. Now, in order to make this video more than 30 seconds, even though it's just a quick intro video, we'll go quickly over the bikes me and Kevin are riding. If you want a more detailed video about each specific bike, or have questions about them or anything, drop a comment and we'll go from there. If you want a more detailed video, we'll create one of those for you too. You just need to ask. So I guess we could start off with Kevin's bike quickly and we'll go from there. So Kev, all right. Run us through what you're riding.
So this is the Chsnnel mountain bike Super Delight, and it's a super because of the dual battery packs that are in there with the Bosch CX motor in there, belt drive, and the 14 gear roll-off hub. Changed the seats to something a little more spongy for this enduro type riding we do. Got the iron display, GPS on there and all the fun stuff, and of course GoPro to capture all these memories so you guys can watch. Oh yeah, and I got the Migura MT4 and MT5 hydraulic disc brakes. Fun, but problem to bleed, and that's about it. Just out here having fun. Come join us.
What a bike. I'm not going to impress you as much as with mine, but there's surprises coming down the road. So I am on the Rad Rover 4. I know it's a couple years old now, but it's done 2,500 kilometers without an issue. I did find that this bike stock is absolute garbage for hills, so I upgraded the controller and put the color display on here. Controller's now 35 amps, gives me more than ample power to get up hills where I need. Obviously my phone mount, speakers, and all the other junk I put on just to be extra. Added the rear rack, 7 gears, 7 speeds on this one. It is winter, so I've wrapped up my battery for now just to try to get me some longevity out of these runs today. Upgraded to the 2022 Rad Rover Lite just to try to stay with the times. And that's about it for my bike. So those are the two we're running for now. Like I said, big surprise coming with mine shortly, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy, and let's see you out on the roads and trails.
Let's get it.